All right, so here we have the 2015 Mini Cooper Countryman S that had some front end damage. Um, we're having trouble finding the sensors for the airbags in the front. We watched one video which said there's a cover that comes off in the wheel well, which is right there, and the sensor is actually located right to the right of that if you're looking into the wheel well, which is true. The only thing for us, it was really difficult to see it with the headlight on. So we had to take the headlight housing off, which, here, let me show you with the hood open. And so where it's located is actually right where those two holes are. Um, the other one is still on the other side. So we're replacing both of them because they got hit on the side and on the right side there. So we were thinking it's probably just the one on the right side that's affected here, but we're replacing both of them just for good measure. And so on this side, you can see there, that's the other airbag sensor. The part number will be in the description. Let me see if I can get it from here. Nope. So what you will have to do to make the job a little bit easier is to take the headlight off. The headlight has 3 bolts, which is this one here, that one there, and that one there. So it's being held on just by 3 bolts and this wiring harness. Pretty simple. Actually, it has this as well, which is connected to, we believe, the washer, automatic washer for the headlights. The way you take this off, actually, this was a little tricky. You just pull this black sleeve down, and then you pull on the actual the headlight. But be careful and take your time. On the right, on the driver's side, here's one of the bolts. Here's the other bolt, and I believe this was the third bolt here. So our headlight was actually broken and cracked. So this is part of the headlight. This plastic piece, part of the headlight bracket. So we're actually repairing the headlight bracket as we speak. So the glue is drying on that. But that's pretty much where the 2 sensors are. You might not even have to take the tire off like we did to get it out, but we did take some of these clips from the side off. There's some clips there, so the clip there, a couple clips, so that we were able to kind of push this out of the way. So earlier I said there were 3 bolts, but there's actually 4 bolts, one on each side, one up here, and another one in that corner there. So this is the new one that went in. Well, it's used, but it's new to us. It's lefty loosey, righty tighty on these two. These are our Torx. So this is what we use to take the sensors off. It's a T30 stubby ratchet with a little bit of an extension there. They fit pretty well. This is the hose that's used for the washer fluid that hits the headlights. Just like that. Now the way to take it off, just to show you, just clip it in, comes off, and just like that. But you have to pull down the sleeve. Yep, so bolt there, bolt up top. This is what is missing on the other one there. And that one there. And that's it. Those are the 2 front end crash safety sensors on 2015 Mini Cooper. It's probably the same on other models within the same time frame, but that's about it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.